I'm Professor John Grattan and I'm the Acting Vice-Chancellor of Aberystwyth University. The IRONMAN event is a full-distance triathlon. So it's in one day you have to do a 2.4 mile sea swim, a 112 mile bike ride, followed by a full-distance marathon. I've been training for 7 months, so I'm in the shape of my life. For months I felt quietly confident, but now it's only 2 weeks away and I'm pretty nervous right now. I am 56, so I've started to pick up a number of injuries, which is making me worried about the day. But it's a long day, so I'm just going to treat it as such a thing. I've put the training hours in, so now it's just a matter of putting it all together on the day. I'm raising funds for the Student Hardship Fund. If students get themselves into financial difficulty or find themselves with unexpected costs, the university can help them out. We have a campaign every year to encourage charitable giving to that fund, and I thought this year, having been inspired by some of the work of our alumni, I would try and raise money myself, and so I thought I'd enter this crazy challenge of doing an Ironman in Wales. It's been going very well. I've been getting a lot of help from the university, from the local community, lots of help from the gym staff, from the staff in the sports science department. There's a great personal trainer here who's got my core strength up. I've got a swim trainer who's helped me learn to swim properly for the first time in my life. I've been doing a lot of sea swimming here, and the local community has got a big sea swimming group. So I've been joining them and they've been very encouraging. The sports science team have been advising me about my heart rate for the event, so I don't overdo it. And I've cycled up and down every hill in Ceredigion, more or less. I run in the woods and fields around the university itself, or I run along the coastal path. We have, I think, the best concentration of fantastic, spectacular scenery and roads in the world. It's been great to be out of the house at dawn throughout from the spring through to now, in company with some friends or on my own, and just explore the world. It's been wonderful. I would recommend anyone who's thinking and dreaming of doing this to absolutely get out there and do it, because it's great.